Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. In this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful home tour as well as some really easy Christmas decorating ideas, so stay tuned. So I'm going to take you on a tour in one of my very favorite clients' homes, and I'm going to point out some really easy Christmas ideas that you can implement in your own home. If you're going to put pillows on your porch, I tell you a trick I do. That is just a little bit of Scotch Guard. Spray the front and back of your pillow. Remember, if you use wired ribbon when making your bows for your outdoor wreaths, they will hold up much better in the weather. Their living room is decorated in very traditional Christmas colors, and I love the row of Christmas stockings of kids and grandkids. For a simple fireplace decorating idea, find a metal bucket, fill it with some birch logs, a little greenery, and add a bow. Here's a really easy Christmas decorating idea. You could use bottle brush Christmas trees, a little bit of faux snow, place it inside a terrarium, or what I've done before is gotten a glass cloche and I placed a little ornament on top of a white plate, a little bit of snow around it, and a cloche on top. I don't know about you, but I love decorating with dough bowls, and Christmas is no exception. Fill a dough bowl with your favorite Christmas ornaments and nestle some greenery in between, and you've got a beautiful centerpiece. Quick little tip for adding garland to your stairs: pipe cleaners. They won't damage the wood. Use brown for the wood and use green to attach your bows to the garland. This beautiful tree sits in her hearth room. Take a close look at the ribbon. So we've got bows at the ends of the branches, and then the ribbon trails straight down the tree and fills in the entire tree. This tree used to be solid green, but what she did, she used the faux snow. She took a tree out in the yard and gave it a light spraying, and it turned out beautiful. One of my decorating tricks to make inexpensive garland look expensive is to add a lot of different sprigs to the garland. You can choose a frosted sprig, you can choose eucalyptus, or any other type of greenery to make that garland look full and beautiful. I wanted to give you just a quick peek at these antique doors she had installed in her pantry. I am personally kind of a nut for Christmas wall decor, but here is a do-it-yourself project. Paint an old frame white, use that cardboard backing, and paint chalkboard paint on top of it. Then you can write any happy holiday saying you want, and this is actually something great to keep up all year long. Another inexpensive Christmas decorating idea is using an old ladder and placing Christmas blankets on each rung. To make a simple napkin ring, just a little bit of jute and a little bit of greenery tucked in. Elegant and beautiful. For a really easy Christmas centerpiece idea, take 2 swags, attach them with wire in the middle, and then add a beautiful bow. Well, again, I want to say thank you to my client for letting me share her home with you. She has a lovely home, and they are an adorable couple that are completely precious. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have a lot more holiday videos coming out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.